Hi everyone, welcome to Nasser IT Solution. In this video, I am going to show you how to download MS Office 2021. First of all, open Google Chrome browser and type here Office Customization Tool. Now click on first link Microsoft Office Customization Tool. Now if you have 32-bit system, then select 32-bit, otherwise select 64-bit. After that, in Office Suite, select one of the MS Office version that you want. I select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Click and then click on Next. Select language. I select language English US and then click on Next. Scroll down and click on Next. Click on Next and scroll down. Check on Office Content Delivery and check on Automatically Check and uninstall any MSI version. Then click on Next and again Next, again Next. Now scroll down and finish MS Office setup. I click on Finish and then click on Export. Now in the last step, select Office, open XML format. Check on I accept the term and condition. Accept. Configuration XML file download successfully. Now go to browser and type here Office Deployment Tool and then press enter. Now click on Download Office Deployment Tool from Official and scroll down and find Download button. Click on Download button. Now Office Deployment Tool download successfully. Click on File Location. For create new folder, right click and new, select folder. Rename this folder as MS Office 2021 and remember this folder name for command prompt coding. For this reason, I want to try to short this name and rename once again Office 2022 and delete MS. Okay. Now select these two files and move to the folder and open this folder once again and make sure that your file available in this folder. Double click on MS Office folder and right click on Office Customization Tool and run as administrator and check on software license terms and then click continue. After that, open file location. Office 2021 file location is available on this PC and in download folder. Click on this PC and click on downloads. Then select Office 2021. Click OK. Now go back for Office 2021 folder which is available in download folder. Now right click and click on cut or press Ctrl X, then open C drive. Right click in the folder and paste or press Ctrl V. Now go to command prompt, click on start and type here CMD command prompt and find the command prompt button. Click on command button and run as administrator. Now command prompt window is open, and now go to C drive and go to MS Office 2021. For this, type a code CD space C colon backslash Office 2021 and enter. This code is available in description. You can copy and paste this code or simply type the same code. After enter, now type setup space / configure space configuration dot xml. After this code, your MS Office setup will be start in a moment. Now I press enter. Then MS Office setup start directly. After a few moments, your MS Office application will be installed successfully. Now wait for a few minutes. Now you can check. I search for Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, and Access working properly. So thanks for watching.